My God. Yeah, my peeps, welcome back, to another epic adventure, Today, we're gonna match up something crazy. What are we gonna match up today, Rick?
Yeah, man, some Bonita, well steamed down, you understand, and some crackers. Epic episode, man.
Remember, my peeps, like, share, subscribe. Yeah, my peeps, Bonita, clean up properly, you see me?
Yeah, man, ready for slice up on her, you know what I mean? Yeah, man.
Yeah, my peeps. Yeah, man, today, still on it Bonita with some water crackers, you see me?
Yeah, my peep, so this slice up Bonita. Line up here now for we season up and put on the fire.
Wow.
And so we're going to use some all-purpose fish seasoning.
Yeah, my peeps. So anyway, we are going to get the coal, ketchup, fire start blaze up. Yeah, man. Then we just get the tin pan put on, get the things them up and running. So stay tuned for all of that, my peeps. Stay tuned. Today's a very epic day. You see me? Yeah, man. Stay tuned for all of that. Go and get the coal, ketchup up on that. Yeah, man. Well, I go and pop up like wow. You see me?
My fish and all, as I say, some curry Bonita we are look about today. So I cut up the season them and pepper, onion, so scallion, you know, a garlic, we can't leave out the garlic, you know. Yeah, man. I tell you, say, some fish season, Maggi, and all purpose. We are kick off with today. Wash off the seeds them, you know what I mean? Yes. Active it now.
Wow, that looks sweet, you know, youths. Wow, damn, man.
And this is the fish season. Yeah.
Wow, that man. Lovely, you know, my people. Yeah, man.
Get the all purpose now. Right over. Every time.
Curry, you know.
With season and everything now. Curry down. Yeah. Line up now to put in a pot. Yes.
Wow. Hey, my peeps. Mountain to rate it. Now tell us,
Yeah.
it not finished yet.
The fragrance off, right?
Oh my God. That's the fragrance alone what they come off of it. It alone, may I tell us, peeps. There's some money when they're around, you know. Me and Jeremy there, I go and do it, isn't it? Yeah, man. Top chef same way.
West Banks.
You have to do the right thing, man. No. So Jeremy is saying about young sitting. Jeremy is saying having young son now. Newborn.
All my people say deal with from the same name. But you don't say white plate. You can't
Yeah, the people guys can get the garlic stem. You know? Get the garlic stem cut.
Yeah, the one I can already bad man. Yeah, the boss is clean chick.
Yeah, peeps, the ground product and no? Skelly and thyme. Pepper.
Look at that, man. Fragrance alone is so amazing, you know? You can see the nice organic pepper, you know, man.
Real Scotch bonnet, huh? Yeah.
Yeah, my people, because from yesterday we are trying to get this done, but due to the fact of beer rain, peeps.
Beer rain. Beer rain. Add some butter on there, no? Sweet. Butter.
See my the fragrance. Jesus Christ. Oh God. The fragrance is so amazing. You have some pepper already, but really Scotch bonnet pepper, very hot. That's the fragrance, my people. What they come up from out of the pot. The fragrance alone, it is so amazing, guys. Oh God. Wow. Hey, it not come off yet. And the fragrance alone what you get from it is like tasteable. What am I saying? It do. Tasteable. Wow. Oh my God. So we're gonna have it cover up with a piece of file paper now. Yardman style. Wow. Rain is coming in, peeps, but we still keep it going, you know. Wow, look at that, man. Man. Get back the table clean up and everything there, see me? Alright. And my people, I'm gonna make you see something. See, look way over there, see? Can see the rain, a beer rain, you see me? Yeah, man. Beer rain, I'll come now, man, you see me? Yeah, man, beer rain and fall, you see me? Oh my God. No, man. Peeps, the only place you can get them type of menu here from Penka Spear Fishing. Believe, no, man.
Yes.
Believe in yourself, no, man. And check it out, no, man. Check God. Believe, no, man.
Believe.
Look at that, man. Let's say again. Modest life, don't. Yeah, man, modest life we live, man. Don't joke, man, man. From lying, I'm dying. Believe me, man. From lying, I'm dying. Believe me, man.
God.
Believe me, man. Bonita, big up yourself, even although you're not there. You see me? Rick, big up yourself, same way. Even although you have to leave, go do something for your mother, big up yourself. Hey, my people, look there. A big rain from yesterday. From yesterday, we have a lot of rain, you know what I mean? Where we there? Mobile, you see me? Yeah, man, so you have a lot of rain from yesterday. So the whole place fog up. Yeah. Place get dark up. But stay tuned here, my peeps. Still have to get something going, you know?
Yeah, peeps, we had a mixed vegetable in there, no? Mixed vegetable.
Glasgow.
Glasgow and Grace, Best Night Island, you know?
Festive, you know, my peeps.
The cracker. Celsius, Jamaican crackers, you know? Good crackers, them, bro. Good crackers. Good to go.
Yeah, my peeps. So anyway, everything finished now. Ready to take off, you know? Oh my god. Delicious.
Delicious. Ready for the
Oh
Ready for the dish.
god.
Dish,
Ready, you know? So, I'm going to test it out now, you see me? Taste a little piece of it. Let's see what it tastes like, you see me? Taste beside you don't like crackers, then, you see me? Look at it, my peeps. Wow. Make a little sandwich like, you see me? Ready, man. Anyway, my people, get it share out and consume some food right now because we're hungry now. So get it the right way, you know? Yeah, man, so stay tuned for all of that. We can share out and we consume. Zin, I'm out. So at the end of the day, we can consume some food, you know? Yeah, my people, remember now guys, I'm asking you, just remember to like, share, subscribe, you know? Yeah man, remember to press the like button, you know, my peeps. You have to let me get the support, alright? Oh, this look nice in here. Wow. So lovely. Looking good, you know? Looking so lovely. Looking so lovely, looking so delicious. Oh my god. Ready up, you know. So I gotta consume my own right now. You see? Yeah, man.
Yeah, man.
No joke.
No joke.
Yeah, man. Yeah, better than them. See ya. Oh, yes, about it.
My god. So I wanna slam more than Jordan.
Alright, see that?
Even Jordan and Samsung.
Even Jordan and Samsung. Wow. Eat kitty, eat kitty.
Not bad. Amazing. For this downtown, 30 US. Just this alone downtown, $30 US. In a Jamaican, 4,500. Yeah. In a Jamaican. Self-made, you know? If I'm lying, I'm dying. Believe it, no man.
Best in the world. Best in the world, you know?
Blowing fish to the system, you know? Can see the carrot diced up right and pepper here. You can see the yardman pepper. You can look at the sweet corn, scallion, thyme. Oh God.
You see curry turn up in it?
Okay, I want better on this. If you still want better on this, you're not telling the truth. Could never better. Just want to say thank you guys for the support. Thank you for supporting us. Anyway, please just remember to like, share, and subscribe. We're going to check out now and get to consume some food, you see me? So remember now guys, always remember to press the little like button and share the video. Tell a friend, Pencos is back.
Believe.
In full effect.
If I'm lying, I'm dying. I'm out.